crypto hint here. I'm going to teach you guys how to sign up for Coinbase. You're going to click sign up. It's going to take you to this little area right here. It says create your account. You're just going to enter your information here. Now once you have all your information filled out, make sure you're not a robot, certify you're 18. You're going to click create account. Now once you've done that, it's going to take you over to this screen right here. And nope. It's going to ask you to verify your email. It's going to tell you that they sent it to your email. Go to your email. If you don't get the email, click here. Alright, so go ahead, log in to your email, and then you're going to see this email right here. It's going to be from Coinbase. You're going to click on this link right here, verify email address. Alright, now once you click that verification button, it's going to take you to this page right here. Enter your country and a phone number, and click send code. Now once you get that code, you're just going to enter it in here. Click submit. And boom, there you are. You have set up a Coinbase account. This is your dashboard. This is what it's going to look like. This is the important button right here though, because now you're going to have to add a payment method. And it's really easy. You can either connect a bank account, a debit card, or a wire transfer. Any one of these three, you choose. It's really easy. I'll go over these ones real quick with you. Alright, so bank account. This is if you want to move a large sum of money over. What's really cool is they got it set up to where you can, any of the major banks, you can go right in here and you can log into your bank account from right here and it will link your account immediately. I'm not going to do that because I'm just not going to give that information away to you guys. So, but all you have to do is click on it and then you can follow it. It's really easy, simple. Now it does take longer to go from your bank, but it's less in fees. Debit card, very simple. As you can tell, name, card number, expiration, CVC, postal code, add card. They do a verification process, and real quick and real easy. And then the wire transfer, I've never actually done a wire transfer, and you have to verify your identity before you can do a wire transfer. So then you have to go there, you have to send in a picture of your ID. It's a little long, drawn out process. Your best bet is going to be either linking your bank account or your debit card. Alright, so now you're all logged into Coinbase. You've set up payment verification in the buy-sell area. The dashboard, it's going to have charts for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's also going to show your setup process here and your portfolio, what you've got in each one of your wallets. Your accounts, it's going to show all of your accounts and all your transaction history right here. The tools section is where you're going to be able to create different addresses so that you can use different addresses for different things. You can look at set up reoccurring transactions. So if you want, $10 every month to come out and go in here, you can set up reoccurring transactions like that. Set up some reports and a history of your account. And since your account's still incomplete, it'll show like this. Last but not least is the settings page. Your profile, you'll be able to set name, email, date of birth, preferences, Local currency, time zone. So if you want to set your time zone to whatever time zone you want, I don't know, here. Make sure you click save if you change any of that info. Then down here, you can see what you get emails about. Security settings. So I was going to have your phone number there, verified. Enable enable two-factor authentication. If you have a Google Authenticator, everything crypto, sync it to your authenticator. It's the safest way to keep your money and not give it up to hackers. So enable authenticator. Authenticators are really easy. You can download them right to your Android device, Apple device. So if they've got some other information, you can go through here, link accounts, API access. You can set limits. But I mean, go through this, check it all out. Coinbase is I use it to transfer my fiat to Bitcoin, so I recommend that everybody else does the same. Oh, and I almost forgot. They have a nice referral link here. You get 10 bucks, you refer a friend when they deposit $100. It's pretty neat. Both of you guys get $10 for, helping each other out. Anyways, it's Crypto Ant. You guys take it easy. Peace.